So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito pag-uusapan natin kabola ang mga pangyayari naman po sa free agency. So sandawakmak na po yung mga trade rumor na pag-uusapan natin in the past kabola. Ngayon naman free agency naman tayo, and then some things po happening around the PBA. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Siguro na natin itong mga comments po kabola. Sabi po ni Doname Pobay, Serrano Stockton, yun po yung suggestion po na trade kabola. And of course, this is realistic. Alam naman natin po yung connection ni Enzo Serrano kabola dito po sa Converge. Converge is of course managed kabola by Governor Delta Pineda. And alam naman natin kung sino po si Governor Delta Pineda kabola sa karir po ng isang Enzo Serrano. So sabi din ni Pablito Orozco, para sa akin po, the most important thing is utang na loob in between its holistic character of a person and entity. Things should think by teams and players. I disagree kabola, no? I disagree po. Utang na loob that is overrated in a way kabola. At the end of the day, they are given a fair chance to handle these players, and of course these players also have their fair chance of trying to do what is right for them. So for me, hindi lang po palaging utang na loob po ang namamayani kabola. And then pa-shoutout na po kay Ronald Berbusidad. Now kabola, we have a big change dito po sa lineup ng Gilas, diba? Remember, 12 players lang ang gusto pong pag-focusan po ni Coach Tim Cone kabola, and of course na-explain naman niya po yan. So ito nga po si Japet Aguilar kabola is papasok po kabola for this upcoming po na line ng qualification round kabola, kasi nga po madaming injuries kabola. AJ Edo and Junmar Pajardo will not be able to play kabola in the upcoming qualifier, kaya naman po ito pong si Japet Aguilar na tinawag kabola. And of course Japet is a proven veteran international player, although of course may katandaan na po siya kabola. And there are some younger guys out there that may deserve the opportunity that could be more available 3 years from now, di ba? Pero overall, if we are aiming to win, I think Aguilar is not a bad choice kabola. I just want to brought out that there are also other choices out there. Now, ito na nga po, no, may update na regarding kay Mikey Williams kabola. Of course, nakatutok dyan pa rin is si Sir Homer Saison. So the update is, meron na nga pong contact between Coach Chot Reyes kabola at saka ito pong si Mikey Williams kabola. Of course, nire-reiterate dito ni tong writer natin na ito si Coach Chot Reyes din po nakapagpa-sign dati dito po kay Mikey Williams. Kaya naman in a way, mas confident po siya that things could be worked out between the two sides kabola. And of course, ito po nga nilang ginagawa ngayon at sinusubukan po na makreate po na deal is crucial kabola for this upcoming Philippine Cup run kabola ng TNT. I do not think na may chance po ang TNT if they cannot bring back ito pong si Mikey Williams, and time is running out for them kabola. So overall, pwede rin namang totally na mag-tank na, pero remember, TNT hindi po nila handle yung kanila pong first round pick for this upcoming draft. Then TNT pa rin, itong next po na development, and that is they signed a big man, di ba? Barkley Bonya kabola. Pinakawalan lang po ng Converge kabola, if you remember. Now, TNT freely signed him. I'm actually a believer of this guy kabola. He is not really starting caliber type kabola. Hindi po siya ganung level. Pero he is serviceable, and if you look po the current rotation po ng TNT, he should be fitting right there, diba? Koy Erang kabola, Justin Chua, Kali Williams, Santi Galinato, and then Barkley Bonya. Then of course, nandiyan din si Joel Panfrada. So, 6 na player, 6 na big man kabola, yun nandun po sa rotation nila. And of course, they have also Calvin Octana who can get some minutes in the big man position. Pero overall, getting ito nga pong si Bonya is a good try by the TNT kabola. He is not that big, pero he is very skilled kabola. He is traditional in terms of the way he moves kabola. Pero overall, makakasahan mo ito. Ito si Barkley Bonya. Kung makabalo sa palagay mo, tama bang desisyon ng TNT? Comment lang po sa baba.